Hi, welcome to our channel. This video is going to be an informative video because in this video we will describe civil engineering basic knowledge, the abbreviations used in the civil engineering and the basic content. So the first one is the accurate density of cement is 1440 kg per meter cube. Second one is weight of one bag of cement. So the weight of one bag of cement is 50 kg. The volume of one bag of cement is 1.25 CFT. CFT means cubic feet. The minimum thickness of slab in meters, that should be in 0.125 meters. Thickness of DPC, DPC is called damp proof hose, that should not be less than 2.5 centimeter. Slope angle of stairs must be in between 25 to 40 degrees. So here I will describe. This is our slope side, and here we will make the steps and so on. That angle must be in between 25 to 40 degrees. DL means development length. Number of bricks required for 1 CFT is 13.5, and in 100 CFT is 1350 in numbers. The standard size of brick is 9 inches into 4.5 inch and 3 inch. So if I describe it, so the length of the brick is 9 inches, width is 4.5, and the thickness is 3 inches. M2 grade concrete is generally used for construction of slabs. So the M20 means 1:1.5:3. And the last one is to find the unit weight of steel. This formula we will use D square divided by 162, and when you will get the answer in kgs. So D means, D is the dia of bar in millimeter. So these are the basic civil engineering knowledge. In our next video we will describe more things about civil engineering. Thank you for watching this video.